In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display Google Slides on any TV or external display. This is a quick and easy way to showcase your presentations smoothly, whether you're at home, in the office, or at an event. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as your presentations are linked to it. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your saved presentations. You can either open an existing presentation or start a new one by clicking on the blank presentation option. Templates are also available if you want a pre-designed look. After opening your presentation, click the slideshow button at the top to enter presentation mode. This makes your slides ready for viewing in a clean, linear format. To display your slides on a TV or external screen, select Present using Chromecast. Chromecast lets you wirelessly stream from your computer to a television or display. Make sure your Chromecast is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Once connected, your slides will appear on the big screen and you can navigate through them just like on your computer. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly present your Google Slides on any TV or display, making your presentations more professional and engaging. In today's video,